Welcome to Don't Get Wrecked. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Afghanistan. So let's get started. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Afghanistan or click the link below. Once you're on the website, you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Afghanistan. So pick an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2. You need to register and KYC. This process involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow the instructions on the exchange website. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the best exchanges in Afghanistan. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way, you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy, link below. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.